Can I take my voice?
So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some monkey on the shelf mini games. We have the tagger down there. We have then us. So, hope you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys like this video, and thanks guys for watching this video. Okay? So,
Subscribe or there'll be a big spider in your bed. Is it okay I change my voice?
We're gonna start. What do you delete? What do you delete?
Is it okay? Is it okay I change my voice? Is that better?
Okay. Okay. What do you delete first?
Boomtastic, I swear this.
Hurry up, delete something. We don't have all day.
That's my
Okay.
hand.
Okay, the sunglasses, it looks like, are deleted. So, I'm just going to go this route, jump up here to over here, see if I can make it. Let's see if we can make it to this. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, I've made it up here, so, made it onto this couch, and touch the mirror. Now I can go back. Whoa, you're about to tag. Don't tag me. Okay, I can touch you can touch the floor on the way back, like so. Right now I have this on following me, the camera on following me, so it follows me around.
What if I delete the mini games?
Okay, now what do you delete?
What?
Delete. Now what do you delete?
I do not know. I never played Monkey on a Shelf.
Well, you just have to delete something.
How do you explain it? So you remove something, and if we touch it, you can
so
tag
just
us.
remove anything
floor,
in here. Remove
us.
anything
but if
in
it's
here.
not deleted, you can't tag us.
Yeah.
And
if we touch the floor, you can tag us.
I'm going to remove this hat.
You just do all the head. You can't delete one hat. It at least has to be that entire thing. It has to be the entire thing.
This entire thing.
Yeah, it has to be that entire thing. And if we touch that,
whole entire thing.
So that entire thing. Okay. Wait, is the sunglasses still deleted?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't know. I suck at that way. Let's go this way instead, guys. Okay. Bounce here to here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh shoot! Oh man, I touched the floor. Just tag me. It looks like the purple monkey won.
Yeah.
Purple monkey won because he's still on the shelf. Now just tag
what
him.
do we do? Tag him?
Play another round, guys. Now.
I'm it. This time I already know that.
Oh nope,
No,
he's it. Okay.
Boy, you better stop running.
At least you know. I think you should know how to play. Okay. Just if you touch the ground, you're out. Okay. What do you delete now?
I delete this whole thing,
Including the heads.
I delete this.
Okay, so we can touch the heads.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you could do it easiest way. Just go on there and just go up here.
Whoa, guys. Where my thing is
You're
really
doing
loud.
good.
Bro, stop saying.
And then jump.
Oh, purple, I'm sorry. I saw you. Purple touched the floor.
Okay, tag me.
Don't tag me, purple. You're gonna make him tag me. Oh, Cyan also touched the floor. So that means I win, guys. I won.
But I touched a mirror. But I didn't broke the mirror.
Yeah, but you touched the floor. If you touch the floor, you're out.
Touched the mirror.
Oh yeah, and Gary says subscribe.
Oh, he's it.
He's it again. So.
I keep going on these, so can you cancel those? Can you?
Okay, for this round, we're just going to see what I see for now.
What?
For
You delete.
Okay, what do you delete now?
I keep jumping on move.
What do you delete?
Can you delete this because I keep jumping on that?
Don't do
Okay. Delete this. Delete it. The heads. Delete the whole thing? Yes. Delete the whole thing.
Okay, jump to here.
And I guess we have to go on those.
You saw nothing. You saw
Put some
nothing.
here.
Okay, you just saw nothing.
Yeah. Yeah,
saw
you touched the
nothing.
ground. No.
No.
I touched the
Okay.
mirror.
Cut. I delete the sunglasses.
Yes. If you
Oh yeah.
deleted that.
If they do jump to this is not the floor. Okay, they can jump on
already know
this. Okay, this is not the floor. Okay.
So we have.
Deleted that.
But how will we get all the way over here?
No, this. Okay. Oh shoot, they're coming. Get out of the way so they can jump. Okay. See it like that. They're safe. He's safe. Okay.
Oh, jeez, my tail. Why do I always have to hit my mouth? Why do I always have to hit my chair? Why do I always have to hit the chair? Why do I always have to hit my
Okay,
chair?
well, he's safe. Okay, you can go back.
Skibbity, 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 skibbity. Are you still recording? Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Yeah, because I forgot. Oh, I'm safe. Oh, he touched the floor.
Why is my camera not
You
changing?
touched the floor.
I saw it.
I will bam, boom, boom.
I can't wait to
bam.
breathe. Did I show you what he did? He touched the floor and then he went up there.
God,
I'm trying to get my camera back. I don't know why I can't get it back. No, I meant, guys.
I need to get up here.
You touched the floor.
Yeah. I was about to put my pants. Oh, damn.
Oh,
And a body drop.
bro, where's my? Oh, there's my camera. There's my camera.
Well,
guys.
but your little wiggly thing. Hold on, can I pet him?
Let's see.
Did he? Is he died? He died. No. I don't know what happened to him. It looks like he died. He died.
I think his
No.
Oculus is dead. His Oculus is dead.
So,
His,
probably
Yeah.
post another video tomorrow. If Cave does open, I'll probably post a video about the new cosmetics.
yes.
Oh no, he's back.
Oh.
Don't tag me.
Oh.
Don't tag me. Don't tag me. Tag him. No. No, where'd my camera go? Oh, I got tagged.
Tag. Shut up. Oh, me. Oh, my waiter's going to hurt so bad after I hit it with my strength.
Okay, what do you delete? What do you delete?
Does he do a hokey pokey? I delete this whole thing. Because I see all you are jumping onto the wall. Trying to.
Okay. Looks like I'm doing good so far. What the? No, somebody left! He left!
No!
Well, since he left, guys,
What?
probably that's going to be it for the video. Thanks guys for watching.
Tag.
Bye.
Hi.